Welcome back to another video, everybody. It is an absolute beautiful day to do some fishing. 80 degrees, sunny. It's pretty windy, so I apologize in advance for the wind noise. There's nothing I can do about that today. But as I said, it's sunny and windy. You know what that means. It's spinner bait conditions, baby. For these pre-spawn bass, I have a feeling we're gonna slay them today. Let's go. Well, I just have to run home real quick because I forgot my pliers like a dumbass. But we've made it to the lake. As you can tell, it's sunny and windy, so you already know we'll be starting off with this little spinnerbait here. Let's see what we can get. We're out here. First fish of the day. It's a good one. Oh yeah. It's a good one. Come up here. Now that is a great way to start the day. All of a sudden, I'm just reeling, and all of a sudden, I just feel that weight. It's like, oh, yep. Get that hook out. Get a good look at this fish. Not a bad one. Getting fat. That's good. Oh, it's got a little scarring on up there. I don't know if the cameras can see that well. But let's get this fish back. Adios. Oh, we're on again. I saw him swimming with it in his mouth. He just never got hooked. We're on again. This one feels pretty good too. Yup. Bring him on in. A little, well actually I'm not sure. Very similar size. These fish, from the last time I went bass fishing, they're much warmer. Just means we're getting closer and closer to the spawn. Hook is out. That's a nice fish right there. Also pretty fat. Let's get him back. See ya. Oh, we're on. I saw this guy eat it. Well, this guy's way smaller than the last two fish. Whoa. But hey, a fish is a fish. Let's get him back. See ya. There's one. A little bigger. Just a very skinny guy. Top of the mouth hook. Oh, calm down. Oh, very skinny, short. Let's see. There's one. Wait. Oh. He wasn't even fighting. Thought I had a sticker on for a second. But no, it's a fish. Just a little. Oh, calm down there, buddy. Calm down. Well, this guy's fat though. But yeah, let's get him back. That's number 5. Here's another one. Oh, did I? Well, I did kind of foul hook this guy. No wonder he was spiraling in the water. Oh, this is an interesting hook set. Through the gill plate. Not through the gills, luckily. Just through the gill. Oh! Buddy, I'm sorry. Oh, come on, you got it. You're so close. There he goes. Sorry about that, little guy. Oh, there's a nice one. That's a much better one. Get him in. Oh yeah. That's the one we're trying to catch. Ow. Just tore up my finger, thank you. Well, that is a much better fish. Let's get this nice one back. Nice graceful release and swim off. Well, you know it's windy when you got waves like this on a pretty small body of water. Going like 30 to 40 miles an hour, but we're catching fish. That's all that matters. There we go. We're on again. It's been a while since my last fish. Oh my god, this could be a big one. that's a nice one. Come here. I'm not gonna flip this guy. Let's go. That's a nice fish. Easily my biggest bass of the year. I'm just going the sun. Let's go. Get the hook out. I mean, that is easily my biggest bass of the year. No doubt. That's probably close to 1.5 to 2 pounds. Look at that. That guy wanted it. Again, getting ready for that spawn. It's happening soon. Let's go. But for now, just get this guy back. Thank you, buddy. Biggest bass of the year so far. Let's go. There's one. Whoa. This guy's pretty acrobatic. Wow, yeah, he kind of choked it. Oh, come back here. Got the hook out. I've lost count on fish today, but oh, we're on. Just like that. Just another little guy, and he bit it really close to shore again too. Whoa! Don't try to hook me. Hook is out. Just a little guy. Back-to-back cast with the fish. Might even be the same fish, who knows. Both very similar size, but nah. Alright, well, 2 fish, 2 casts after like 30 minutes of nothing. See ya. Oh my. I think we found the nursery, boys. This is where all the baby bass are right now. They all bite it the same way too. Really close to shore, just little hits until they get hooked. Just another tiny guy, probably last year's spawn. See ya. We're on. This one doesn't feel that bad. Okay. It's a better fish. We'll take those all day long. Oh wow, he's barely. Oh, hello. Come back here. I was gonna say, this guy's barely hooked. Just skin hooked in the top of the mouth. Hey, that's a decent one. Let's get him back. Thanks for biting. There's one. Okay, that's a better one. There's a stick in the water right there. I got my lure right past it and he was on it. Now that's a good one. The hook out. Alright. That's like the 5th or 6th nice one of the day. Kind of a small mouth on this guy. It's kind of built different. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hey, that's not a bad one. Let's get him back. Adios. We're on again. This one feels pretty good too. I haven't seen it. Oh, okay. It's a pretty good one. Pretty good one. Right in the top of the mouth. Perfect. Hook is out. That is not a bad one either. See ya. On again. It's the jumper. Damn, he just got me soaked. Relax, buddy. Ow. Let's tear up my finger with those teeth. Yes. We are just slaying them today. Oh my god, next cast. So hopefully, I just released that other fish. And I just got this guy. And this guy's also barely just skin hooked on the top of the mouth. Hook comes right out. Who knows if that's the same fish? I sure don't. See ya. Right off. Got this fish right off this stick right here. I had a feeling there had to be one on it. Sure enough. As soon as I brought the spinnerbait by it, this guy clapped it. Let's get you back to your home. I mean, that fish came out of nowhere. Smoked the spinnerbait. Alright, well, there's another one. We're on. Oh, this one feels pretty good. Oh, yeah, this guy's nice. Haven't seen him yet. Oh, yeah. Get him in. Let's go. Come here. This guy's been caught before. Come on. Alright. This guy has definitely been caught before, as you can see. But hey, he's a nice one there. Pretty chunky. Again, that spawn. It's getting closer and closer. Oh, okay. There he goes. Oh, that's a fish. Thought I got snagged for a second. We're on the dock. Got a fish. Oh, this guy's really skinny. No wonder this guy ate the spinnerbait. Yeah, that's a skinny fish right there. Let's get him back. There's one. Just another little skinny guy. This guy's also got barely hooked. Came right up. Just a very skinny guy. Get him back. As I said in the intro, I think we're gonna slay them today. And we did just that. I don't even know how many we caught. At least 20 for sure. I even got some off camera as well. I make rookie mistakes and I wasn't recording. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We got on some nice bass, a lot of bass. And I'll see you guys in the next video.